أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are in good state of health and iman. Inshallah, biznillah ta'ala. Kindly reply to my messages. I want you all to type in a chat box, inshallah. Keep it an interactive session. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Yes, sisters and brothers, here we are into the day 4th of this video editing course. Alhamdulillah, 3 days have passed by and we have learned so many things. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, biznillah ta'ala. So, inshallah, so we are heading on to the new topics today. But before going to the 4th day of the editing course, we are just going to begin with the rectification of our intentions. Please rectify your intention before we begin, inshallah. Anything and everything we are doing just for the sake of Allah, so that we can earn his pleasure through this skill as well, right? We can use this skill for the sake of Allah, inshallah, in the future, and also we can earn rizq halal through this. Please rectify your intentions so that Allah rewards you throughout this course. With your attending of the classes, inshallah, this might be written as a good deed, inshallah. So this is the continuation of our journey to being more productive with the smartphone. So let's continue. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Recite this so that Allah puts barakah in your time, in your efforts and skills, inshallah ta'ala. Let's begin by seeking help from Almighty Allah with du'as like Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul hazna idha shi'ta sahla. Bismillah. Okay, a quick recap on whatever we have studied in previous classes. It was nothing but a software download, and then we have seen how to install the softwares, and then the software installation was done in the class, and also we have seen about the how the software interface was, and we have created the test project. We discussed about the aspect ratio. Yes, kindly write in the type in the chat box whatever we have discussed, dear sisters and brothers. Can you all type me what is 16 is to 9, 9 is to 16, 1 is to 1? Let's check how much you have learned in this. Dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to type what is the aspect ratio used for? Which aspect ratio is used for what? 16 is to 9. YouTube standards, right? Please type 9 is to 16. For what, dear sisters and brothers here? 16 is to 9 is for YouTube standards. Yes, brother. What about the 9 is to 16? For Reels, right? It is also, it's mentioned that it is for the TikTok as well, right? Yes. Vertical form of videos, mostly for the Instagram stories. Also you can use that, and also for the YouTube stories. YouTube stories are not available right now. For the Facebook stories, WhatsApp stories also you can use, right? 9 is to 16. Yes, for the Reels as well. Yes, and also the 1 is to 1 standard. Why is it used? For the Instagram videos, and in YouTube Shorts also go for the 1 is to 1. Yes, and what about 4 is to 3? 4 is to 3 is actually for the presentation slides, okay? Presentation slide format, fine. And then what is 3 is to 4? It is for, again, the portrait viewing, it is for mobile viewing, it is also for the YouTube Shorts, also for the Instagram Reels, also you can use it, okay? It is also a presentation. Presentations are in 4 is to 3 format, okay? And not 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4 is nothing but it occupies a 3/4 of your screen, that's all. And it is not the full of the screen, there's the 3/4 of the screen, fine. 1/4 part will be left out from the upside and downwards, okay? So in the portrait mode, you'll just have some of the blank space above and below on your screen. Then the last 4 is to 5 content, it is also a portrait content, you can use it for the Reels as well, okay? The last one, yes, Moeed, excellent, mashallah. The last one is for the movies. Yes, it is for the filmmaking, widescreen. You can just see cinematic videos on the widescreen, filmmaking for the cinema videos. Excellent, this is used. This 2.35 to 1 is used, okay? The next thing that we had discussed was, okay, this was all discussed. We just, let me not just go into it. Okay, then we had discussed about the editing interface, right? The workspace of the KineMaster. In the workspace of the KineMaster, we just discussed about the timeline. In the timeline, there was something called the timestamp. This is very important, dear sisters and brothers. You have to remember this. This is the timeline that we have. That is in every video editing app, you will go through this timeline. Fine. This is a media circle, and this is the export option, this is the asset store, this is a play button, this is a video window, this is the control bar that we have defined, right? So this is the control bar, and these are all the 4 to 5 things that are major, and you all have to remember these things. Okay, import media from the media browser. We have also learned about the base layer. This is called as a base. Okay, this is the base of the KineMaster. Whatever appears in the first line is the base, and whatever appears after that are nothing but the layers. Okay, audio will if you add an audio, that will be added as a layer because it will be placed on this video, right? It will be played on upon the video, so we actually place that as a layer. Okay, then we have undo redo option that we have discussed, and in yesterday's class, what was discussed, dear sisters and brothers? Here we also discussed about in the first class, in the very first or second class, we had discussed about the how to merge the media using the transitions, right? Inshallah, we are going in depth now based on the transition and more. In yesterday's class, we had discussed about the major options known as trim and split options, right? Yes, sisters and brothers, it was trim and split options. These are very, very, very important, fine, because for every base, this is the basic of the video editing. For any videos, this is the basic and fundamental of the video editing, what we say, because trim and split are the very important options that we have. Yesterday's homework was excellent, mashallah. It was excellently presented. You have used it so well, inshallah, alhamdulillah, that I had given a single video which had to be trimmed out into the 2 videos. Mashallah, you all have done excellently. Can you please tell me how did you all do that? Did you take 2 different projects and do it, or in the single project you did 2 things? What did you all do, dear sisters and brothers here? First, you created it in the single project, exported it, and then deleted it. And yes, you did 2 different projects. That is excellent, mashallah. This is also a quite good idea. You can also, you might, yes, 2 different projects. That's great. You could also try it out with a single project also, right? By just deleting that content which is required and more. Yes, you could do it with the 2 projects. Okay, I'll show you how you can do it, inshallah, with a single project as well as, inshallah, we'll see so many more topics in today's class. Okay, with a zeal to learn more in today's class, I want you all to be very attentive and concentrating, inshallah. Be ready with your 2 devices, 1 device to listen to the class, 1 device to practice live in the class. If you do not have 2 separate devices, don't worry. You can just write the key points and then you can practice after the class, okay? But you have to have a hold on my screen so that you will learn what I'm teaching, fine? Okay, alhamdulillah, let's begin. I just want you all to practice along with me. Remember, skills needs practice and just not studying, fine? And for our lesson for today, we are going into the advanced tools of the KineMaster today, inshallah. So I want you all to be very, very attentive, inshallah. Let's begin this journey. Let's continue this journey. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I'm just gonna share my screen. I want you all to be just open your KineMaster. Keep open your KineMaster. Bismillah. Okay. Kindly switch off your videos, dear sisters and brothers here. Dear sisters and brothers, please switch off your videos. Okay. Let me just share my screen. Bismillah. Okay, this is the KineMaster that we are going into. So we are into the 4th day of this course, and alhamdulillah, it has been 3 days since we have used this application. Are you all used to this application now? Kindly type yes, no. Are you all doing your creating something new with your KineMaster? Probably yes. I hope so that you all have just checked out what is going on in this app, right? So alhamdulillah. Now we are going to start with the creation projects. Let me just start off with 9:16 ratio, okay? So just I want to show you something about the videos today, inshallah. So okay, dear sisters and brothers, just a moment. Recording in progress. Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to just create a project. Okay, are you all ready with the KineMaster open? Yes or no? Let it be an interactive session. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Have you all opened the KineMaster? Okay. Okay, alhamdulillah. Come on, insert any of the image on your video timeline there. Fine. Let me just insert this one that I had just recently downloaded. Okay, this is it. Let Okay, you know this is a bigger screen. To make your screen bigger, this view bigger, you can just click on this enlarge button. Okay, this is an enlarge button that you have. Okay, just give it a try, dear sisters and brothers. This is the enlarge button. If you want this one to fill up this one, this looks so small, right? If you want to make this screen a bit larger, it will. If you click on this enlarge button, it will get enlarged. Okay. For now, I have used the TikTok this one. Okay, what we say aspect ratio is used. Fine. So this is a timeline that is here. Just this space has been utilized. That's all. Okay. So for now, what am I teaching you all today is the advanced tools of the video editing. Fine. This is the picture that I've exported. Okay. I want you all to import a picture here. That's all. Not import a video on the timeline. Import any picture. Okay. Import any picture. Just a picture. Just an image. Any of your image you can insert here. Okay. Just import an image to this one. Okay. Have you all imported it? Yes, I'm going to teach you some advanced options with this photo that you can do. Fine. We're going to start off Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So to make some edits with the video, what you're going to do with this photo, what we are going to do now is we are converting the photo into video. Now we are going to learn an art of converting a photo into a video. Okay. How are you going to convert a photo into video? For example, it's just a photo. Do you have anything in this? No audios, no and nothing. There's no transition. There's nothing moving in this and nothing at all. Okay, there's just a photo that is it. We can create wonders with this. We can create wondrous content with just single photo. Okay, how to create that? We'll just learn now. Okay, so for now, just concentrate and listen, and inshallah, you can just apply all of these tools whenever you're going to do it. Inshallah. So come on. What you have to do is just click on this photo. Okay, to get the advanced option, I want you all to click on this photo. Where do you have to click, dear sisters and brethren? Click on the timeline. Click here. Okay, click here the photo that you have imported. Okay, and again I'm gonna tell you one thing. In the advanced option, we had seen 3 different things. Do you remember what did we see in the advanced options at the beginning? Below the aspect ratio, there was something in the advanced option. Do you remember? There was something called as photo fill, right? Photo. One was fill, one was, yes, please. If you remember, please type in the chat box. I want to listen from you all. Fit, yes, fit, fill, and auto. There were 3 things, fit, fill, and auto. What does this mean? This photo, if I put here, did it fill here? See here, this black space is remaining. It is not filled up, right? This is not filled up. It is just the fit they have used here. The fit was a standard option that was already assigned. So to fill all of this and more, we have to have so many edits. We have to make so many edits. We'll see how we can make such edits. Okay. And one more option you had there, photo duration. Do you remember it was a photo duration? Whenever a photo is inserted on the timeline, the duration will be, it was something like 4.5 seconds there. It was already set to 4.5 seconds. Do you remember these sisters and brothers? Yes, type yes if you remember it. There was something like photo duration. Photo duration is 4.5 seconds. And also there was something like transition duration I'll explain to you in the transition. I've explained to you, I'll explain to you again today, inshallah. So this is a photo duration. This photo, when you have inserted from the media browser, it is to the 4.5 seconds. Okay, this is that we have learned. Okay, remember it. I'll go back and explain to you again if you want, inshallah. But for now, just remember this was a photo duration that was already assigned, so it is 4.5 seconds here. Okay, and also why is it fit and fill? This is because this was the option that was given. It was not fit. It is not filling inside this, right? Aspect ratio was something 16:9. In this, it is not filling up, correct? So to fit it up, you should have changed it. But do not worry, we are going to create wondrous content with this. So do not worry. So for now, we are just going into the advanced editing options for this photo. Okay. Remember, for 1 or 2 classes, we are just discussing about photo editing options. Okay. Then we'll discuss about video editing options, photo editing options in advanced level. Fine. All the advanced tools that are available in the KineMaster regarding this photo editing. Okay. Now let me just click on this photo. Fine. I want you all to click on the photo, please. Click on the photo. These are the options that you have, right? All of these options are available for you. There is the first option named as replace. Okay. Why is the replace used? In general, can you all tell what is a replace? If I do not come tomorrow's class, then I have to have a replacement of me. What does that mean? There should be someone else in my place, right? So in this photos place, you can just put a replace, right? we can just replace this photo with another photo. If we just, yes, it's just a substitute, we can just replace it with another. So this is another replacement we can do. Or we can just replace it up with any other photo. You can also replace this photo with a video also, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, it's all up to you. Fine. So just I've replaced it. It's just substituted. It's just replacing the photo. Fine. This is what I did. Then trim and split options. You have a trim and split option, same as a video, but this in the photo it is all the same, right? From first to last, a photo will be same because it is not a video that we have put here. Just give it a try. If you put a photo on the timeline, will it move? Actually no, it will not move because it does not have any movements in the photo is a stagnant figure, right? It is a stagnant image that we have, right? So it does not have any movement, so you don't have to click on trim and split. Even if you want, you can just trim and split. Trim and split is used to decrease the durations of the photo. For example, if you want just for the just this photo to appear for 1 second or 2 seconds, let me just split it up. Okay, let me just split it up. Okay, it is done. So if this is how you just can make use of the options for the photo. Fine. This option that we are going to learn today is the very important option, the third option, that is called as pan and zoom. Dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to be very concentrating while listening to this option. Fine. Be very attentive. We are going to learn something called as pan and zoom. Can you all not see there is some space left here again? What is this? I told you it is not fit well into the screen, right? It is not fit well into the aspect ratio that is being assigned to this. Was it 9:16 or 16:9, dear sisters and brothers? Can you please tell what was it? What is the aspect ratio that we have currently? Is it 9:16 or 16:9? Yes, please. It's 9:16. Yes, it is. Okay. So for this aspect ratio, dear sisters and brothers, okay, why is it not matching the screen? Why is it not matching the screen? Because the image that we have taken has the shorter aspect ratio than that, right? Yes. So the image has the smaller aspect ratio than that, and also the fill option was not given in the advanced settings before the creation of the project. So for now, to make this look like a video, we are going to do some edits. Okay, we are going to start off with the third option, that is known as pan and zoom option. This is very great option that you can use. This option is very important, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, this option is used to convert a photo into a video, inshallah. Let me just give it a try. Come on. So click on the pan and zoom option. There is something called as a start position. Fine. There is something called as a start position and end position. Okay. Let's just start off with the first position. Click on the start position. Fine. What does start position mean? The start of the duration at the 0th second. Okay, and then this is a second, and the end position should be on the last second, right? Okay, so just click on the start position there. Click on the start position there. Fine. Have you all clicked? And now go to your screen, this video screen, and move this. Can you all see it moving? Type yes, type yes, type yes. Is it moving? Move with your finger and say yes, it is moving. Now let me just pinch it with your hand. How much ever you want, you can give it. How much? If you want to make it small, make it small. If you want to make it big, make it big. Okay, this would be the starting position that you're going to assign. For me, let me just assign this one as a starting position. Let me assign. Okay, let me do this as a starting position. Fine. Okay. Now then you have to go to the end position. Where are you going now? Click on this end position. Fine. Okay. Click on this end position. I'm done clicking. Then on end position, do something like this. Okay. You can do it in your own way. Use your own creativity. This is my thing that I wanted to do. You can do it in your own way. Okay. After doing this, click on back button. Where is the back button here? This one. Okay. Click on back button. Unless you click it, this won't go. Okay. Now play and see how beautifully this photo will be converted into a video. Yes, because the duration is just 2 seconds, so it was so early to move. Okay, if you want to make it appear for 5 seconds or 10 seconds, what you can do is, I have already told you, there is something called as dragging up. There is yellow button here, right? Yellow with a 3, what we say, yellow with a 3 dot button. I'll show you by moving this time step. Yellow with a 3 to 4, 1 2 3 4 dot button. Okay, yellow with a 4 dot button. Tightly press on it and move towards how many seconds you want to assign this photo as. If you want this photo to be for 8 seconds, tightly press here and move it till the 4 seconds. If you want to, 4 seconds, it will play till 4 seconds. For example, now play it and see this photo is playing like a wonderful content, right? Dear sisters and brothers. It is just with this, and this is the second video that time I just splitted it off, right? It is the second thing that you can do it with this next photo also. For example, the same photo I have kept it for twice. Okay, for the second photo, let me give this a try. From below, I'm gonna starting position would be the bottom, and the ending position will be the sky here. Okay, so I'm gonna click back. Now I'm gonna play from start. Okay, see how it looks. Okay, you can do it in your own ways. Okay, the next thing. Okay, in between these videos we can just add wonderful transitions. Okay, wonderful transitions. Go add something in between. Okay, for example, if the content creators have a single image, what they do actually is they create hundreds of transitions with a single image. For example, if this is an image that you have, what they do is they just put it for the small things, and they just move it around for n number of times and add n number of transitions and give their own effects. For example, they are writing some content on it, for example, if they have to write a quote on it. Okay, they just move a one image behind, and they just add so many transitions to it, as well as they make a pan and zoom option, and they convert a photo into a video. Okay, this is how they actually do it. Okay, there are different ways of doing things. There are different ways of doing this. I'll just show you different examples of each. Okay, I'm sorry, we have just stepped on to the asset store. I do not want that. Okay, this is how we can do it. Okay, I'll give you more examples, dear sisters and brothers. Are you understanding this concept of pan and zoom? This is very important concept. This is important concept of any basic video editor. He has to know this, how to fill the objects into the screen. For example, in any of the format, dear sisters and brothers, if you have something that is not fitting to the screen, you have to use this pan and zoom option. Okay, I hope you all have understood it well. Yes or no? How to delete it? Click on it. There is a delete option on the left side or the control bar. Just delete it up. Okay, I'm going to show you another example. For example, okay, I'll just put it up, put another photo as an option. Okay, usually in the Quranic video there will be like a serene atmosphere. For that, what they actually do is, for example, this is the image that you have. Okay, this is the image that you have. What things you have to do here, dear sisters and brothers? Is it fit properly? No, you have to do it. You have to make it appear seem good to you. So go to the pan and zoom option. Just increase it in its, what we say, in its size. How to do it? Have you all understood? Are you all trying with your two fingers? Try it with your two fingers. Pinch and zoom. Pinch and magnify it. That's all. Let this be the starting position. Do not let the black thing appear here, because it won't fill into the screen if the black things are here. You have to fill the photos or any videos into the screen, or else the videos won't appear in a good manner, right? It won't look a professionally edited video. It will just look as just a video. It won't seem good if it is not properly aligned to the screen. Fine, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, let me just as an end position. For example, let me just keep this as an end position. See how beautiful it would look if it is moving inside this road or something like that. We'll just give it a try. Okay, you have to try it out with different things. So see here, we just converted a photo into a video, right? So how beautifully it is converted a photo into a video. You can just increase the duration. You can just increase the duration. For example, it was of 8 seconds. How to increase the duration? Please type. You have to click on the image. There will be a yellow button at the end of it. Increase the duration. Have you all noticed it? Yellow button with 4 dots. Yes, please. Type in the chat box. Yes. Tightly press on it and move towards the end. You can just play this photo for 13 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever you want. For example, in a Quranic recitation video or something like quotes and titles, what we do is we just play one single photo in that. Okay, I will teach you. Yes, press the button with 3 dots and pull it. That's all. Yes, brother. So this is how you do it. And actually, they apply the transition or this one very slowly. This actually moves very slowly. To make it move very slowly, you can give 29 second, 30 second in this way. Okay. You can also add more effects to this that are called as stickers. I'll tell you in the next upcoming sessions. Okay, you do not worry about that. This video will look even better with the stickers or the overlays that we will add. Okay, I will explain to you everything in detail, inshallah, in upcoming sessions. For now, please do not worry. We are just discussing about some of the fewer of the options, okay, that are required. Okay, for the for editing the photos. Okay, and one more thing I just want to tell you, editing, photo editing can be done in this app as well. Okay, there is something called as a capture photo. Okay, if you just edit a photo in this application and capture it, it is also, you can just make a wonderful photo edited content from this application. Okay, I'll just show you all of that in upcoming sessions, inshallah. For now, bear with me, inshallah. Be a little patient, so that you'll absorb all of the content slow by slow. Okay, time by time, inshallah. So now we are heading on to the next thing, next advanced tool of the photo editing. It is nothing but rotating or mirroring. Fine. There's the next editing tool, that is rotating or mirroring. We will just see what this rotating and mirroring looks like. Please give it a try, dear sisters and brothers. Try it with your photo that you have inserted there. Try it. Come on. Click on the rotate or mirroring. First, there is a mirroring option. What is a mirroring content? It just replicates it, right? It just, what does it do? It just aligns it towards the left side, what we say. The right will go towards the left, left will go towards the right, right? This is called as a mirroring. Fine? Give it a try, give it a try. This is the mirroring. You can mirror your photo. And also you can rotate it upside down in this way. This is the upside down mirroring, fine? And also the rotation, right rotation, left rotation, you can give it a try, okay? Give it a try. If you want to do, you just can give all of this a try, okay? What do you want to repeat, Ahmad? Do you want me to repeat how we are going to try with the rotating option? There is a rotate and mirroring option. Just click on it. You can just mirror this photo. Mirror ka matlab hota hai, you just are converting the right side of this photo towards the left, sending the right of the photo towards the left, or the bottom of the photo towards the top, something like that. There are two types of mirroring here. One is right to left, left to right, and then upper part to the lower, the top to the bottom, and bottom to the top. This is called as mirroring. Fine. Mirroring and rotation are different things. Rotation is nothing but this is if this is a straight photo, it is converted into this type. If it is rotation, correct? This should be rotated in this way. This is rotation and mirroring are different. So when you apply mirroring, see how this photo mirrors up. Or you can try with your own image and see how rotation and mirroring works. Okay, this is how the mirroring works. This is how the rotation works. Just give it a try and see with your own photos and more, inshallah. To understand concepts better, do it with your own photos or anyway, whatever you want, inshallah. So the next option is filter. This is very important option, dear sisters and brothers. It is used to enhance your photo better or enhance your video better. There are so many options. Please give it a try. The warm option, and also there is something like toggle button, how much warm options you want to give, how much you want to make it. There are different types of warm buttons here with the different colorings. You can just give it a try. There's also vivid, how vivid this picture might look. You just can give each of it a try. It is purely your creativity or your choice that you can use this filter. Even if you do not, yes, you will have the filters. It will be below. Just toggle this up, scroll this down, it will be somewhere below. Click on the photo, go to the filter option is available for the photos and more. Give it a try. Then we have something called as a saturation. Give all of this a try. This will actually enhance your photo powers. Okay, no problem. You just share me this screenshots after the class. Okay, inshallah. Everyone does not have it. A filter option. Anyone else do not have this filter option? Can anyone tell me? Does anyone not have the filter option? Type in the chat box, please. It's there. Alhamdulillah, it's there. Okay, no filters for Fauzia. Okay, can you please share this snapshot with me on the it's there, not there. Imad, it's there. It's not there. Okay, Amira Farish is there. Okay, inshallah. Please ping me this your screen. I'll just show you where the filters are. Okay, inshallah. You can just find it. Under filter option, you do not have themes to filter. Okay, you do not have different various themes like this. Okay, no problem, no problem. We can just find it somewhere. Okay, inshallah. It's there, fine. So we'll just you can just mention send me the screenshot. I'll just help you out with that. Okay. Then we are just go discussing the next tool, filter. Hope you all have understood why filters are used to make enhance your photo better. You can give different looks. For example, you can give black and white look to this photo. Just see how different it looks now. We have add the basic filter now. You can also add the black and white filter. You can also add some filter like what we say, the photocopy filter, what we say, and even this filters apply and see the something redness. There's a burning filter that it has. Apply the filters and see, you can just create wondrous content from that as well. Okay, see the green filter, the green thing, something like that. You can apply all of this filter, inshallah. Give it a try. Okay, then we have some option named as adjustment. Okay, this option plays a very key role when you are adding the layers. Dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to just be very concentrating here. There are so many options under adjustments. You can have all of this. You can just try all of this. One is the brightness is used to increase the brightness of the photo or the video. If it is in somewhat darkened pattern, you can just increase the brightness. And if it is in the what we say in the light, fully lightish way, then you can just decrease the brightness, huh? So this also plays a key role. You can just make use of brightness and contrast. For example, if we have Quranic ayahs, we want to convert the black text into white text. What we do is we just increase the brightness of the text, and then it will be actually white color. Okay, this adjustments are very important. You can just go through all of this, inshallah, so that you can know how to use all of these. Okay, there is something called as contrast. What does contrast mean? Can you all say? Contrast is nothing but it is increasing the way that the photo looks, right? Contrast is nothing but the how you're just how striking this photo can look. We can just increase the way this photo looks. For example, it is not so in depth. When you just move this contrast here, see how each of the design, for example, the clouds are appearing very in a very striking manner or something like that. Fine, though you can just increase the contrast. What we editors do is we actually increase the contrast every time, for every photo or something like that, so that the photo or the video seems very great to us. Okay, so contrast is also as an important tool that you can make use of when you're editing your own photos or something like that. Then there's something called as a saturation. What is saturation? Saturation is nothing but you are just giving some coverage to this, like this, or you're just increasing the coverage to this. You can just give the grayishness or the brightness to this. That's all. Then there is something called as a vibrance. Vibrance is also the same tool, same kind of tool. What we say, as you're increasing the enhancing this video effects, that's just you're putting the brightness to the video, striking the brightness colors to this video or the photo. Okay, then there is something called as temperature. It is also something like you're increasing the reddishness of this video, you're decreasing the reddishness of this video. Just try it out, try all of it. Temperature, the highlight options also work great. The shadows options is okay, it is fine kind of. The gain option, just try it out. Like, gain is actually spreading the brightness of this photo throughout. For example, some colors it spreads. Okay, and the gamma thing also, just try it out. Lift thing, try it out. It's lifting up the things that are here, and also the hue thing that you can try out. Okay, okay, there's also some option named as apply to all. For example, you have 10 images here, you can just click on apply to all. Or if you do not want all of these options, click on the reset, and it will be reset to all of the zero things. Okay, that is the thing that you have, the photo editing options that you have. These are very important photo editing options, dear sisters and brothers. You will find this in the, for example, yes, these few photo editing options were for the photo editors only. What they used to do before in the KineMaster, all of these options were not present. What we used to do was, we used to have different photo editing apps, and then we used to just use these photos and enhance the photo quality, and then we used to put it here. But now KineMaster has offered each and every photo editing options. Fine, you all have to give this a try, and this is excellent options that are available. Okay, now there's something called as script graphics. This is the important thing that I'm going to explain you today in the conversion of a photo to a video. Okay, so for now we are what we were discussing today, how to convert a photo into a video. Photo to video, correct? Photo to video. Please be very attentive now. I want you all to, first thing that we have learned, important thing in this is pan and zoom. Dear sisters and brothers, pan and zoom. For the conversion of photo to video, pan and zoom works wonders. Correct? Remember this, pan and zoom is very important. I would be giving you all the homework. You have to all do this. Okay, inshallah. I'll just send you a photo. You have to make such a creative content with that, inshallah. I'll see how well you have understood this, inshallah. Pan and zoom. Do you all remember what was pan and zoom? It is nothing but I started off with something like this. The first start, it should look like this, and the ending should look like this, something like this. I just mentioned it like this, right? So when you play this, when you click on back and play this photo went to the video format, right? This photo went to the video format. So it was 29-second photo that I had made it. We can just reduce it, okay? You can just reduce it to how much ever you want, okay? Now we have something called as the fourth option. The fourth option here is known as clip graphics, okay? You can add graphics to this clip. How are you going to add it? Now let me just start off with the clip graphics. Do you all have it in your KineMaster? Someone was telling they do not have the filters. But you all must have the clip graphics. Kindly type yes or no. Yes or no? Yes, you will all have it. Okay, just click on this clip graphics. This is just in red. Fine. You might find this as the same as a transition. Okay, it might look the same thing as a transition. There are so many clip graphics that you can insert, dear sisters and brothers. For example, if you're playing the different types of photos, for example, if you have 10 photos of your wedding, anniversary or wedding, something like that, you can just have different you can just make those photos into different what we say different videos by applying the clip graphics. Just click on the clip graphics and just play the video and see how beautiful it looks. See, it automatically, the video was actually panned and zoom already. This clip graphics gives more effect to that video. That's all. Okay. This clip graphics gives different effects to the videos. Okay. Now go and search for the clip graphic. Click on the clip graphics. Apply different things. For example, apply different things. See here. This photo is wonderfully converted into a video. See how beautiful it has converted this photo into video. For example, see here. Apply the clip graphics. Apply the clip graphics, sisters and brothers. Are you all doing it along? Sayed Mui, do you not have the clip graphics? Okay, I do not know which one you have downloaded. Which of the what we say KineMaster you have downloaded? Is it the same thing that I have given to you? Clip graphics must be available. Must be available. Have you downloaded the second one? I wanted you all to download the first one. Of the link that I had provided. The second one was for the old version users. I mean, the old mobile users. Okay, if you do not have clip graphics, probably you're not having the options available here. Okay, that you have to download from the asset store. Everyone here. Okay, you have to download it from the asset stores. It is here, asset store. What you all have to do is, if you do not have clip graphics here, you have to download from the asset. That's what I told you yesterday, that please download and keep whatever you have, whatever you find good. Okay, so if you do not have it in this in your KineMaster, I mean, if you do not have more of the options here, I want you all to go to the asset store. Okay, for each of the designs there is an asset store. For see here, it is here. It is like a Play Store button. It is a store button like this. It is kind of a home here. Okay, just go and click on this asset store, dear sisters and brothers. Please do it now. I'm going to explain to you why this asset store is used. As today we have explained to you in detail what is this asset stores. Okay, so in the asset store you have different options. I'm going to teach you each of it. Okay, this is nothing but the home. In the home you will have all of the stickers and more. This is a sticker option. This is the effects option. This is the transition option. This is again the sticker option. This is the sound option. This is the effects option. This is again the sound option. This is the video option, and also this is the video option. Fine. So each of these options has hundreds and thousands of the already available content that the KineMaster provides for free. Fine. In the home button, you have so many different things. Do not go to that home button. You just have to go to different various things so that you will find related content. Fine. For now, if you want transitions, you have to go here. Okay. Transitions, if you want, go here. If you want clip graphics, where should you go? This is the clip graphics button. This one. Click on this. Dear sisters and brothers, click on this and download more of the content. This is the clip graphics. Go to the clip graphics and download some of the vibes, some of the good things that you find easy. Good vibes. out animation. You can just give any of this, download any of it, that seems very interesting and good for you. You can convert photos into beautiful videos, dear sisters and brothers. Download the clip graphics, please. Okay, based on the options that you have, based on the things that you're going to create. For example, if you're going to create for the cinematic content, you can just use something like this. If you're going to use for the intro content, you can just use something like this. Go and just download whatever seems very good for you. Please download the content. Okay, for now I have done for a single image. It was an image of something kind of, what we say, it was an image of earth, and there was some moonlight, and some sunlight and something like that. We need some retro kind of content. Let me just download this to make it look so beautiful. You download beautiful content, what is available here, stylish content, tactical content. You have to be present inside the clip graphics. Remember this is the clip graphic content, this is the clip graphic there. Fine, here is the clip graphics. This is the clip graphics that we have, right? Okay, you can just apply, see whatever you want, the tactical things, the travel things, download whatever asset you want. For example, you can also download this one, jet setter. Download whatever you want, whatever you like. And then let me just close this. Okay, this is here. See how beautiful. For filters, asset store is not available. Yes, for filters, asset store is not available. It is based on the compatibility of your device, dear sister and brother. If you do not have more filters, then do not worry. It will be present in the overlay. Do not worry if you do not have filters. Okay, do not worry about filters. We have some other thing called as overlay. We will discuss about that. Okay, overlay is very great. So which for now, please stick on to the clip graphics. Do not worry about the filters. Fine. Have you all understood how we are going to download the clip graphics? Why is the clip graphics used? You can create wondrous content, photo to video. Just remember, photo to video. Okay, alhamdulillah. See how beautiful this video looks, right? It was just a simple photo. You just converted it into the video. Yes, yes, sisters and brothers, right? And one more thing, what are the two major options that we have discussed today? The pan and zoom, as well as, yes, please, pan and zoom as well as clip graphics, right? Those are the two major options. Yes, clip graphics. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, please be focused. Pan and zoom is very important to convert a photo to video, as well as the clip graphics is very important to convert the photo to the video. Fine. You can apply any of the sounds behind. For example, you can just put on something like the khrat behind, and just you can play one any nasheed behind. And what you can do is you can just write a simple code there. Okay. For now, I have not explained to you about the writing text. Okay, I'll explain to you in upcoming classes, because that needs a entire class to explain. Inshallah, please please listen to the class with very patience, and you have to absorb each and every content for now. Fine. For now, you have to go through this pan and zoom option, and also the clip graphics options to convert the photos into videos. Fine. I'll also I've also wanted to explain to you another thing. Let me just start off. Okay, this one would be a homework. Inshallah, I'm going to give you just a single photo, and I want you all to just convert it into the wondrous what we say, a video. Okay, you can just make use of this one, of this toggle button to increase the duration. If I tell you to create a 30-second, you have to create a 30-second video only. Fine. And also, if I tell you to make the copies of this and add the transitions, then what you have to do is you have to insert 2 to 3 images like this, and also make 2 to 3 images into the videos. For example, that was the first image that we took, and let me just take another image. This is another image. You also can add another image like this, and you can also make the same thing. But what we can do is, if you want to apply the same pan and zoom to next thing, same clip graphics to next thing, what you can go do is go to the clip graphics. Okay, for the clip graphics, there's nothing called apply to all. Okay, for probably for pan and zoom option, there's also no use. You have to do it again. So what you have to do for this is pan and zoom again. For the end look, let it be here, end position. I want you all to just give it a try along. Please give it a try. For the clip graphics, change the clip graphics, add some in animation to it, add some auto animation to it. You can add spring frame. This spring frames are also excellent. We actually use it to our content. We use so much of spring frames in our content. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The spring frames are good, and also in the clip graphics you will have so many contents like this. For example, if you want to photo show it like this, it will be like a photo shoot in this way. Okay, image hanging on the wall. Okay, a portrait on the hanging on the wall, it might appear in that way. And also you will have so many other contents like this. Give all of it a try, dear sisters and brothers. You also can show it as this content is of some social media or something like that. Okay, see here you have so much of clip graphics. Make use of all of this, because this is just the conversion of photo into a video, right? Just converting a photo into a video. See, now you can just make this an Instagram thing like this one. There's a social likes, you just download it and see. You just can put your content as this one. See here, when you play it, this is appearing. What is appearing? Something like this and this. You can just type your own thing here and here. So this is all that we have. Fine. Remember, there are so many clip graphics that you can download. There is an in animation clip graphics. In animation ka matlab hota hai, when it is coming in, it actually animates and gets into the screen. See here, it animates and gets into the screen. You can also apply the transition, or you can also apply this in animation to this, and also out animation you can apply. Okay, see, applying it. Play applying it, how it looks like. An animation was not applied correctly. Okay. See here, how beautiful it looks. Okay, someone asked in the pan and zoom, what is the two horizontal option? That is a good question, but I wanted to show you all in the video format, not in this photo format. Okay. Okay, I'll just show you what is that option. Okay. If I insert I've already told your sister or brother Amira Qureshi, and to your sister, what you have to do is you have to download it from the asset store. Okay, clip graphics, you have to download it from the asset store. It will be available on the asset store. Fine. For now, I'm just going to show you all what is this pan and zoom option that was the three dot option in the pan and zoom. Okay, for example, this is a photo that I've inserted, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, this is the third thing. It is of 20 seconds that I have inserted. Fine. Now, first option, where is it? Okay. See here, it is not filled into the screen well, right? Where is the fill? It is not filled into the screen well, correct? Now I want to fill it and fit it. So to fill it and fit it, what I'm going to do, use this pan and zoom option. Click on the pan and zoom option. First, I'm just assigning the starting position, okay? See, first I'm just assigning the starting position, okay? अब मैंने first starting position assign कर लिया है, but what I'm doing is I have not assigned the ending position. I'll just leave it. I'll just show you if I do not assign the ending position, what it will look like. Starting position is this one. Ending position is, it will come back to the same position that it was in. So to assign the ending position and starting position same as to the both, you have to click on this two dot button. Okay, you have to click on this two dot button to have same start and end position. Same start and end position. If you apply that, then it will be a stagnant photo and it won't move. If you click on this and see, it won't move. Now it will be a stagnant photo. See here, if this is this much, till the end of it, it will be this much itself. For example, if I give the starting position as this much, till ending position, it will be same. Okay, but to change the starting and ending position, you should not click on that option. Okay, see here, when you play this, it is all the same. But to change the starting and ending position, you have to have different things. For example, for ending position, let it be this much. For starting position, let it be here. Let it be in the smaller manner. Whatever you want, you can give it a try. You can also animate with this. For example, okay, this is how it was. Just now play it up. See how beautiful it looks like, right? Also, you can animate it. I told you how we can animate it. For example, I just place it here for the starting position. For the ending position, let me just put it like something like this one. I'll just give it a 3-second jump. Okay. See, when you just move this, play this up, it is like it's just moving up like this, right? See how beautiful it looks. You can just give decrease the second and see. Within 1 second, it will look like a wondrous photo. See here, it has appeared in this way. Okay, this is all you have. You can do it. Okay, and someone asked about the show how downloading from the asset store. I just showed you, dear sister, just now. I just showed you all. You all have to go to the clip graphics. Click on this, and there is a button here. There is an asset store. Can you all see the button, the arrow mark that I'm showing? The asset store, that is kind of a store there. What do you say? Shop kind of image is available there. Just click on that, please. Click on that. I just downloaded it and showed it to you. Click on that. When you click on this option, you will directly go to the clip graphics and you will have so many things in the asset store based on the clip graphics. All of these are from the clip graphics. Okay, so you can download any of it. Just now I showed you, you can just download Good Vibes. You just install it, and that will appear on the clip graphics. Close it up, it will appear here. It will appear here. Fine, it will appear here. Fine. Hope you all have found this class interesting, and we hope you all have gained so much through this class, inshallah. And I want to show one more thing. I wanted to show one more thing. Okay. Probably I'll just take smaller screens. For example, 16 is to 9 I'll take, okay? Just a moment, dear sisters, bear for 5 minutes, inshallah. So I'll just show with the Quranic ayah or something like that. Most of the YouTube channels usually what they do is that they capture a image from the Quran, and they actually play the verses like that. Okay, I just want to show you how the pan and zoom options can be used for various things. Okay, for example, this is the 16:9 screen that I have taken aspect ratio, and this is the photo that I have downloaded from somewhere. Okay, now I want to make a video out of it. What am I going to do is probably I have something. For example, I have an audio for this Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. So this is Durud Sharif, right? Durud Ibrahim, what we say. So I have downloaded a Durud Ibrahim, amazing voice. Let me just add it up. I hope you all know how to add the audio. In yesterday's class, I have shown you how to add the audio. Okay, so this is the image that we have. So to make this image into a video, what am I going to use? Yes, dear sisters and brothers, the only two main options that we're going to use. There is also something black here. Tell me what you're going to use to remove this black things. Black background. Yes, please. I want you all to type pan and zoom. Yes, brother Moid, excellent. It's pan and zoom option. Click on the pan and zoom option. Go till here. This is the starting position that you have to assign. End position, let me just assign here. Let me just assign to the end of it. Now you can just see how beautifully it looks. When you play it with along with the ayah of the Quran that it is, see here. For example, this one, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad, that is being played here. Just play it. This is how it goes by. Have you just noticed? Oh, along with the ayah, you are just playing it up. That's all. Okay, subhanallah, it looks great. If even if this doesn't seem good for you, for example, it doesn't seem good for you, and you want it to be very small, then you just change the aspect ratio input. Okay, if or you can just match the aspect ratio with this image, or if you want, you can just play it in any way as you want. For example, if you want the content to show just the single eye, you can just start off with a single eye, and then you can just move here, stop here, slowly you can make it move along with the video, voice, and something like that. Okay, the start position, end position. Okay, one key feature of the KineMaster is that you are doing it with your two fingers. That's all, right? Do you all not find it interesting to do it with your own hands, in your own hands? How to make it slow, dear sister or brother? What you have to do, I have told you, increase the duration of this one photo. Correct? Go here, increase the duration. Understood? Yes, this is how you actually make it slow. See how slowly it will move, correct? If you want, you can make it more slower. Increase the duration. Increase the duration. See how slowly it will move in this way, right? By the end, it will move slower and slower and slower. Okay, so this is how we actually convert it. For tomorrow's homework, you will have so much of content, inshallah. I want you all to be very inshallah creating a great content, so that inshallah, let me see how you all will show your skill in your homework. Okay, so this was a class for today. Jazakumullah khairan. I want you all to just give a quick recap on whatever we have studied, so that the latecomers might benefit from us, inshallah. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, type in the chat box quickly if you have any doubts, any lesson recap, if whatever we have studied today, please type in the chat box. Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Come on, type in the chat box. What did we study today? A quick lesson recap, dear brothers and sisters here. First thing about clip graphics, that is a very important tool. Pan and zoom is a very important thing. Fine. Pan and zoom is important. Image to video. This is what we wanted to discuss. Image to video, and also increasing the quality of the image. Correct? How to increase the quality, image quality. Important. Everything about the photo we are studying today, right? Increasing the image quality by applying the filters, by applying the transitions. Also, we also studied how to download from the asset store. Someone messaged just now that they are not finding it in the if you have downloaded the clip drivers, it is not appearing. It is nothing but you have not downloaded the clip graphics, dear sister or brother. You have not downloaded the clip graphics. you might have downloaded some other content. Go and check if you have correctly downloaded the clip graphics only, fine. If you have downloaded it well, then it is okay. Okay, alhamdulillah. Yes, we have learned how to enlarge for slow video, how to add the clip graphics. Very important thing, clip graphics, to make the photo appear like a video, as well as pan and zoom option to make the photo fit into the screen, fill into the screen, and also to give the starting position to the photo and ending position to the photo, so that photo can move around, and all of the photo is covered in the video. Okay, you can also make use of any ratio that you want while creating the content that I'm giving you for the homework, inshallah. Okay, so this was a class for today, dear sisters and brothers. Alhamdulillah, this was a quite interactive session. You're all performing, you're all doing so well. Barakallahu fiki. Alhamdulillah. If you have more doubts, kindly text me. So this was the session for today. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalam.